So what is the elephant in the room?
Unpopular opinion है.
Unpopular opinion है ये. Maybe get Finch to captain. Maybe get Finch to captain. Yusuf and me had this thing कि जैसे जो लोग दिल्ली छोड़ के जाते हैं जैसे सुपरस्टार बन जाते हैं, पर तुम्हें शैडो के साथ ऐसे नहीं हुआ, ऐसा हुआ नहीं. ये सुपरस्टार बने. Hi, I'm Ashwin.
Hi guys, I'm Yusuf.
And we are cracking this season's IPL for you guys by giving out some very unpopular opinions on the game. Unfortunately, it's been a long gap. Yusuf, ज़्यादा लंबा gap हो गया. You were not there in the previous video. We got caught up. But कोई बात नहीं. It was a very entertaining week. So we'll do a little bit of a roundup, I think. और लेकिन focus जो है आज रहेगा
RCB.
Media's darlings. It's a darling of the media. They all love RCB. Everybody loves talking about RCB. And also, I think one of the things I've always noticed in this season, especially. पहले तो होता ही था काफी, but I think इस season में I noticed when it was starting, a lot of people were telling me कि RCB is going to win this season. A lot of people were telling me कि RCB will. तो ऐसा क्यों है? Like why is this emotion that RCB will? पहले भी होता था, but इस बार तो बहुत ही strong था कि हाँ मतलब पक्का RCB is winning. Why? ऐसा क्या हो गया इस season? Why did people feel this way?
देखो, when you think you're thinking, but you're working with emotions, आदमी इसी तरह की बातें करता है. मैंने पिछली बार कहा था कि देखो, KL Rahul looks set for the orange cap. We had a discussion. I was very clear. See, Virat Kohli last 2 seasons, right? मतलब pressure of captaincy, pressure of winning. Also, when they went into the auction, as far as we are concerned, हमारी conversation की बात कर रहा हूँ. RCB failed again to pick up the kind of players who we thought they will pick up. No Chris Morris till now.
Yeah. Now we'll get into the players now. We'll get into the selection. But overall, like why is that? Because of Kohli, basically मतलब बस
भाई कोहली है तो क्या है? कोहली है तो क्या है? अरे कोहली है भाई. And दूसरी चीज ABD. The expectations with ABD and Kohli are such massive. But I don't think people are able to realize ABD is retired, not that much gameplay. And Virat Kohli again, I feel a lot of pressure. That's the.
So my take on that is, I mean, bringing the discussion back to ABD Kohli, because since we're discussing why every time there are such high expectations from not only the players but from the team in general, but often the focus and that's the problem. The focus is always so much on Kohli and ABD. You forget that winning a championship and not just a couple of games in a season requires a team effort. It requires a collective effort. So. You can continue to talk about Kohli AB, but you have to understand कि अगर championship जीतनी है और सिर्फ 2-3 मैच इन सीजन में जीतने हैं, तो then you need a champion squad that works collectively, and it's not like RCB has not had a good squad, by the way. A lot of times people used to tell me, यार bowling attack बहुत बेकार है. Yes, bowling attack बेकार रहा था, but नहीं. One season they got a great bowling attack because they had Chris Woakes, they had the right bowling attack. Still they didn't manage to go through. There was a time they had Watson, Gale, Mitchell Stark and Kohli ABD at the same time in the team. तो अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या लोगे? Like these are all stalwarts of the game, and they were all together in RCB squad at one point.
Correct.
So if you're still not managing to go through, that means inherently there is a very big problem. So what is the elephant in the room?
देखो भाई, unpopular opinion है.
Unpopular opinion है ये, लेकिन Yusuf and me had a chat about this.
That's why we are trying to keep it under the wraps. It's not like we both don't know the answer. We both do.
So I think it's time to maybe rethink about the captaincy of the team.
मत बोल.
So नहीं, I think नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. See, again, unpopular opinion. It's an unpopular opinion, but that's our job. I think it's time to rethink the captaincy. Kohli has been around for many years now as a captain, as a leader. ठीक है यार, he's put in his effort. I'm not discounting that. He must have given his heart and soul. He's given some great knocks, great performances. Must have led from the front. ठीक है यार, I understand all that. And AB has been by his side. He's also given some fantastic knocks. But अब नहीं हो रहा यार. Any organization, any professional sport, any hierarchy. If you have a leader who's been around for such a long time, but is not giving you the desired result, you change the management. That's how it works. RCB has had so many changes in management, so many changes in coaches. अब फिर नया coach लेके आ गए हैं. So the same thing has to be done with the captaincy also. Like it's the same thing because that's also like the think tank. Captain is also part of the think tank. And if you're not getting the desired result, unfortunately, yeah, I mean, okay, I'm sure like nobody wants to let go of Kohli as a captain, but if you're not getting the desired result, then you have to kind of move on. Like he said in the beginning, you know, sometimes emotions are, ruling your head, and you have to let go of that, and you have to look for other options. And now, I mean, since you have Finch, who's the captain of Australia's T20 squad, which is a very strong squad in my opinion, I mean, why not? I mean, you can give it a shot. I'm not saying it's the best bet, but why not? Yeah, just I think give Kohli some freedom, let him play with a free mind. Yeah, if he is not able to, play under somebody else's captaincy, then I mean, what does that say about a sportsman? Tendulkar, such a great example. जब वो icon player बन के आया for Bombay when 2008 IPL came into inception. I mean, Tendulkar was the same story. He realized that yeah, ठीक है, icon player and all, I can not lead. I mean, Lakshman was the same story for Hyderabad, man. Like he was icon player, but then they all stepped down the next year. Subsequent year, they all stepped down because they realized that they are not captain material. Yeah, ठीक है. I mean, they might be the best player in the team, but they probably at this point cannot lead. I mean, why not? You can give it a shot.
Yeah, see, the thing is, you're right. And the Kohli question is a big question because sometimes, when we discuss Virat Kohli's captaincy, his captaincy becomes questionable even in one-days and T20s. Just say it.
Becomes
I'm
questionable.
taking it one step too far.
Yeah. It becomes questionable.
Questionable. The thing is that with Virat, okay, like I'll give you an example. Yeah? Using Yuzvendra Chahal in the first game, right? It was a master stroke. A lot would say. But when you just have one stroke and you play it, it's not really a master stroke. That's like you're a one-trick pony, correct?
Yeah, Chahal has always been the guy to bank.
Exactly.
Always saving. Chahal has always been the guy that nothing is working,
Then
कुछ नहीं चल रहा, Chahal को भेज दो.
Chahal को
And Chahal result देता ही देता है. And because he's such a great player, he's such a great player of the white ball cricket, he always gives you result. And Kohli always banks on Chahal. Correct.
Chahal has great heart. And one thing is that, and second is, see, this time what happens with, and that's the lopside of having Kohli as a captain. Kings 11, 2 dropped catches, Kohli's body language goes down, team suddenly looks lost. Right? You make a mistake, you don't let the team morale go down. I remember one game while he was captaining India, and just saying, since it's an unpopular opinion, guys, you can all disagree in the comment section, but the guy gets out, he goes to the dressing room, he's not seen. Right? The team suddenly starts feeling, has the guy lost belief? Cricket is a sport, you don't lose till the last ball. You go in, suddenly 2 drop catches, what does he do? He sends Josh Philippe 1 down, and then he justifies that decision, oh, big bash. Boss, come out open. KL Rahul scored 134, you can score 100. That is why I feel Kohli, sometimes I always, my heart cringes. I said, nahi yaar, bas na wahan par wo killer instinct miss kar liya.
नहीं, I agree that sometimes body language मुझे भी थोड़ी questionable लगती है कोहली की, when things are not going his way, because I start comparing him to other captains. So when I compare him to somebody like Dhoni or even Rohit Sharma for Mumbai Indians, I see a very big difference in. I know he wears his heart on his sleeve, that's fine. But then your team is looking up to you, and your team has a lot of young players. If you see Saini, Chahal, these are all young guys, and they're all looking up to you as a captain, right? So you have to keep the unit together. You learn from the best from the game. Like Dhoni, for example, always keeping himself cool, regardless of where the game is heading. Even if the run rate has skyrocketed to 18 per over, always keeping his mind in the game, which I often don't see with Kohli. He's often losing his cool, body language is going down, and starts affecting the team suddenly. And because his body language is changing, his mood is changing, and which is very visible, which I feel is not the best thing for a leader of the team. Suddenly the bowler is losing his line and length. Or suddenly Umesh Yadav is going all over the place. Not that he was very accurate, but still, you get the drift. I don't see it as a completely bizarre thing to maybe just free his mind up, give him some space, just let him perform, and give that whole burden of captaincy to somebody else, because again, questionable team selection, like you said, very interesting point. You talk about Josh Philippe coming out number 3. from game one, we didn't get to talk about RCB earlier. That's why I wanted to bring the team up today. From game one, I'd been questioning their team selection. I don't know where Moeen Ali and Morris are. Probably I was reading maybe Morris is trying to recover from some strain or something like that. I hope that is the case. I hope it's not a poor team selection because the lower order looks horrible at this point. You have Umesh Yadav, I think, coming at almost 8.
Yeah.
And I don't think that should be the case. And number 6, 7 पे Washington Sundar is coming out. I don't think that's the right selection when you have Moeen Ali and Morris in your squad. So I hope they fix their lower order issues. They've gotten lucky with Shivam Dube. Shivam Dube took 2 important wickets of Maxwell and Pooran in the game against Punjab. But honestly, they got lucky with that. It will not happen every single time. Shivam Dube is not that kind of a bowler that will give you important wickets all the time. You need guys like Moeen in the squad who are wicket takers. You need guys like Morris because Steyn is also, I think, losing his team. I mean, I don't see Steyn anymore in the squad. I don't see a place for Josh Philippe. However, that messes up the balance because then you need Parthiv because then who's keeping the wickets? Because I don't think ABD is keeping anymore. I think he stopped keeping now. And
Where's Parthiv Patel?
yeah, Parthiv Patel is sitting on the bench because Josh is in the squad, and Josh is in the squad because earlier he was coming low down the order, right? So Parthiv was opening, but opening change ho gaya because Devdutt Padikkal has come in and Finch has come in and Devdutt has performed, so he won't go away. So now where does Parthiv fit in if Josh goes out and in place of Josh you have Moeen coming in low down the order? Confusion is going to create a lot of confusion, but I feel this has to be done. This has to be done.
Like this.
This has to
if
be
you're
done.
sending Washington Sundar at 6, Shivam Dube at 7, Parthiv Patel has played actually down there, and I don't see him doing as bad as these two would do with the bat.
I agree. If Moeen is in the team, and imagine कि Parthiv is coming at 6, he can't do worse than Washington. I mean, he can't do. At least you have Moeen make wicket taking bowler to hai.
Second thing, are you playing ABD based on ABD's reputation? And if you're doing that, then why not have more faith in him? If Kohli is coming 2 down, that means ABD is coming 3 down, right? Till last season, just to have 1, 2, 3.
नहीं 1 down or 2 down हुआ ना. 1 down.
1 down तो Josh Philippe आया ना.
नहीं वो तो for one game. That was just an
No,
experiment.
but the point is that he was very candid. He said, no, we thought that big batch. यार 200 से ऊपर के target में. This shows the approach.
हाँ मतलब बनता नहीं था.
200 के ऊपर आप target chase कर रहे हो. अगर 150 होता ना, अब तब experiment कर रहे थे कि ठीक है यार, it's a game in the bag. तब आप Josh Philippe को ऊपर भेज रहे हो. तब आप basically what was maybe playing in their mind was that नीचे फंसेंगे. They wanted to keep ABD Kohli for the end. But 200 के target पे end पे तो game जाता है.
And especially a person like Kohli, who takes time and he's your best guy on the team. He had to be your number 3 player coming in. I think poor strategy. Again, poor thinking. Always been the case with RCB. I think it's always been a poor strategy, poor leadership, which has led them to lose consistently over the years. Despite having a good squad, ये एक belief है कि वो squad ऐसा है वैसा है, bowling attack नहीं है. They've had a good squad, yeah. They've had great people. It's been a poor strategy. I mean, how you end up with Parthiv Patel as your opener after so many years and your death bowler as Corey Anderson in one of the seasons. I mean, then this shows कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो.
आप strategy की और team की बात कर रहे हो. I remember कौन सा था, पुणे सुपर जायंट था जिसमें जयदेव उन्नाडकर was the lead bowler. धोनी was the captain. They reached the finals.
Yeah. Great. As actually a great point. That's a great point. I mean, talking about great leadership. When you see Dhoni, when he was with Pune, he had a horrible squad. Horrible squad. His only spinner, because Ashwin got injured that season, so his only spinner was Washington Sundar, and his only lead seamer was Jaydev Unadkat. And he still got the team through.
Yeah.
But they still ended up performing. So he is getting the best out of the worst. But often we see with Kohli that he's getting the worst out of the best. ये हो चुका है. Because with the likes of Watson, Stark and Gale sometimes underperforming under his leadership.
मेरे हिसाब से जिस गेम में फिंच नहीं चलेगा, RCB will get stuck. आप ये देखना अभी during the season.
There are expectations from Devdutt Padikkal as well. He is looking good. Maybe he can also give good starts.
Yeah,
but हाँ मतलब
Finch
यार
has to
हमेशा
stay.
हाँ मतलब ये तो होता ही है. देखो even Dhoni admitted when with a string of losses after the first two games कि जो एक momentum create होता है from the top. You might have the best lower order, and I'm not talking too much about KKR today, but I'll just plug them in here. You might have the best lower order, but if the top order is not working, जैसे शुभमन नारायण फील्ड, उसके बाद जितना मर्जी अच्छा लोअर ऑर्डर हो यार, you have lost the momentum. You have lost the momentum. And luckily, yes, second game Shubman did well. Still Narayan failed, but the lower order managed to save the game.
Exactly.
So top order, the momentum, the steam with which they come in matters a lot. Dhoni admitted that after his first two losses. And Finch becomes very crucial to this squad now, and Devdutt also looking great. I mean,
Correct.
I had been following him in his domestic season. Fantastic player, great to see him perform. So I hope they both do well at the top, and I'd like to see RCB perform really well. मेरा ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. I mean, I don't have anything against the team. I'd like them to perform really well, but I really think they need to re-strategize. They need to rethink about what their 11 is, what their leadership style is. Maybe get Finch to captain. Maybe get Finch to captain.
नहीं होने वाला यार, नहीं होने वाला.
होने तो वाला कभी नहीं. वो अगले
हमारा
अगले और 10 साल नहीं हो सकता.
वो अगले 10 साल नहीं हो सकता. But ये है कि see with Virat, 1 or 2 knocks, he'll come back. He'll start banging it here and there. Confidence will be back. RCB will be back. And the real issue will get lost again.
Yusuf and me had this thing कि जैसे जो लोग दिल्ली छोड़ के जाते हैं कैसे सुपरस्टार बन जाते हैं, बट उमेश यादव के साथ ऐसे नहीं हुआ. ऐसा हुआ नहीं कि सुपरस्टार but I still feel Umesh is a very he's an impact bowler with his 4 overs upfront he's great, but I think in the depth definitely not the best bowler to bank on.
Correct.
However, coming back to their 11, I think they need to strategize again, think about the 11 again, get Moeen back in, get Morris back in, fix your lower order. You can't have Washington and Umesh and Dubey. यार in the end Dubey still हाँ exactly 6-7-8 आपका पूरा खराब है इस टाइम पे. Shivam Dubey is so inexperienced. He is not your match winner. He's not your impact player. He might tonk a few, might give you 1 or 2 great performances, but cannot consistently win you games and cross the finish line for you. Hope that we see some changes.
Correct.
And then probably we might see RCB coming back in the game much stronger. But to answer the question I asked initially, is RCB going to make it to the top 4? The way a lot of people have been thinking, a lot of people have been saying, what do you feel?
See, with RCB, they have usually not started well, and somewhere they got that momentum with Kohli going bang. तो अगर वो हो गया तो फिर तो यार हम कौन. लेकिन दिमाग ये कह रहा है कि मुश्किल ही है. CSK is also struggling. If you see a squad like CSK struggling, then a squad like RCB has to do some real soul searching. They got lucky that day. जो इन्होंने they made a comeback, right?
Again, no, Chell. Because of Chell always the game changer for. Always the guy to bank on for RCB. Always.
And SRH was on a mission that day. It seemed. They
got
cold feet.
And I've already spoken in my video of their lower order being completely like in shambles. Their lower order is in shambles.
And there couldn't have been a better proof.
Yeah, मैंने और वीडियो में बोला अगले दिन वही हुआ. लोअर ऑर्डर किसी को समझ नहीं आएगी मनीष पांडे के बाद who is finishing the game for them.
Exactly. इसलिए मैंने तेरे को बोला तू SRH का खुद कर ले. SRH का. As far as I'm concerned, the brain says they're going to have a very tough time.
Yeah.
But heart wants Kohli to do well. Heart wants Kohli to succeed. Nothing better, guys. Next World T20 captain.
Talking about where the team lands up, I don't see RCB in the top 4. But yes, with the right changes in the lower order, maybe things start turning around. I have seen Moeen do some great stuff in IPL earlier. Can be a very interesting player to change things around at the lower end. AB, because AB is already looking good. AB is already looking in good touch. Devdutt's also kind of looking in good touch. Finch, I see coming back in form eventually. But again, not a lot of expectations from him. So पता नहीं यार, like something is a miss here. Some team chemistry is missing. This feeling of togetherness, that unity, something is a miss. And I used to feel the same way about Delhi a few years ago, till this new management came in. मुझे लगता था कि यार एक टीम केमिस्ट्री मिसिंग है, और मुझे वो आज के डेट में आरसीबी में लगता है कि वो टीम केमिस्ट्री मुझे लगता है सिर्फ कोहली और चहल में ही है। वो केमिस्ट्री कोहली एबीडी और चहल, वो मुझे केमिस्ट्री सिर्फ वही नजर आती है, मुझे बाकी यूनिट में नजर नहीं आ रही। सो आई डोंट थिंक आरसीबी इज अ टॉप 4 कैंडिडेट। इफ दे टर्न इट अराउंड, गुड फॉर देम मैन, लाइक it'll be great. I mean, I'd love to be proven wrong, and I know Kohli loves a challenge, so I hope he proves me wrong. But I think let's close on that. But let's close on that though. So yeah, that's it. I hope RCB turns things around. Till then, please stay tuned into our videos. Subscribe to our channel as we bring more cricket conversations to you over a cup of coffee and crack this season's IPL for you. Cheers.
So guys, थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा नहीं कर दी आपने।